Question 20. City A is in Sweden and is located at 58 degrees north, 16 degrees east. Sydney in Australia is located at 33 degrees south, 151 degrees east. Robert lives in Sydney and needs to give an online presentation to his colleagues in City A starting at 5 p.m. Thursday, local time in Sweden. What time and day in Sydney should Robert start his presentation? It is given that 15 degrees equals 1 hour time difference. Ignore daylight saving. The time difference between two locations is based on the difference in their longitudes, not their latitudes. So we'll consider the longitudes of City A and Sydney. The longitude of City A is 16 degrees east, and the longitude of Sydney is 151 degrees east. And the further east a location, the further ahead in time it is compared to any locations to the left of it or to the west. This can be visualized on a number line where 0 degrees represents the longitude of the prime meridian. West is to the left, east is to the right. City A is 16 degrees east and Sydney is 151 degrees east. Now the difference in longitude is 151 degrees minus 16 degrees, which equals 135 degrees. And it is given that every 15 degrees difference in longitude is equivalent to 1 hour time difference. So the time difference is found by taking 135, dividing it by 15, and that gives 9 hours. So Sydney is 9 hours ahead of City A. Now the time in Sydney is found by taking the time at City A, which is 5 p.m, and notice that 24-hour time is being used, and adding 9 hours to 5 p.m, that equals 2600 hours. Now that doesn't make sense since the time goes from 0000 to 2400. So this means that this is 2 hours past midnight in Sydney. So interpreting this result, this means that Robert should start the presentation at 2 a.m. on Friday in Sydney.